What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to continue what we were working on before the break and pick up right where the notes leave off. And we're talking about Glide Record and how it has so many more use cases than just CRUD operations. And today specifically, we'll be talking about the initialize method for clearing a record and then getting it ready to populate it with data before we map it somewhere else inside the system. So for today's example, what we would like to do is we'd like to query the incident table and look for any resolved records. And once we find those resolved records, we're going to clear that information, repopulate it with the information that we want from the record, and then we're going to add it to my custom table that I created called the resolved cases table. So first things first, we are here in the background scripts, and what we're going to do is we're going to fill out this variable up at the top. I have the resolved incident pulled up here. We're going to go ahead and click. We're going to copy the sysid and add it to here. So as you can see via the comments in this script, first we're going to query the incident record, and then we're going to ensure that the incident is resolved. I have a info message right here just reassuring us that the record that we're trying to find is resolved. Then we're going to go ahead and create a new record on that resolved cases table. So here we have our .initialize method. So basically what we're doing with this .initializing is we're taking the record that we got from the incident table, clearing it with all the information that it has because we only want to bring the information that we need. And that's what's done in the next code block here where we're mapping the fields that we want. So we have the incident number, we have the short description, the resolved notes, and the resolved time. And then down below, you can see this is where we're going to insert the new record. I have a couple info messages just to keep us on track and seeing if we're breaking anywhere. And I love using this within my code just so I know I'm hitting specific milestones as I go on to these bigger coding blocks. So without further ado, we're going to run the script. Seems as though that it has worked, and I have the resolved cases pulled up here. And here we go. There is our record. So that is what we want to accomplish today. So remember, the workflow is initialize, map the fields, and then insert this record. We want that to maintain data integrity. We want the correct handling of database operations, and we want the consistency and flexibility that that offers when creating new records. So I appreciate you watching the video today. We're going to continue on with this initialize method in the next couple of videos. We're just going to keep on building off of this. So looking forward to that. If you want to have the notes that I have collected specifically in the Microsoft Word document, feel free to reach out and I'd be more than happy. Again, any feedback is a blessing, and I am looking forward to the next one. Take care, y'all.